In this video, we are going to talk about the 5 income streams of millionaires that you can copy. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for future updates. Studying millionaires is quite interesting since they are typically average people with extraordinary attention and dedication. People who are extremely wealthy achieve this status by working otherwise than the average person, not necessarily harder or smarter. The fact that millionaires generally have many sources of income provides an intriguing glimpse into their lifestyle. The get-rich-quick industry is full of hype about how to become a millionaire overnight, but the reality is that the majority of individuals do not have an intense, all-consuming desire to earn far more money than they require to live comfortably. I don't think that making $20 million in a few years is what the majority of people desire. What they truly desire is to quit exchanging their time for money or, at the absolute least, to spend less time doing so. The key word here is quality of life. Living comfortably is a very individualized state that might imply different things to different people. But unless we are born with silver spoons in our mouths, we all share the trait of wanting to find a way to balance the time we spend working with the time we spend doing everything else we enjoy. Most people have at least one source of income, which is their job. They show up for work on weekdays, and after a certain number of hours, they are paid. However, 3 different sources of income account for considerably over half of millionaires. That means work plus at least 2 others for some people. Others may not even consider labor to be part of that. Here's the list of 5 income streams of millionaires that you can copy. So let's start. Number 5. Real estate syndications. One of the fundamental components of wealth creation is passive income streams. There are only so many hours in a day for everyone on our earth. You will always reach a limit in terms of how much you can make and save, regardless of how much you can actively work, because you can earn money while you sleep. Passive income can accelerate the growth of your wealth. The best passive income comes from real estate syndications. A syndication is a group of investors that buy a certain commercial or multifamily property. These investments typically have a lifespan of 5 years and offer 8% annual returns. Syndications sell the bought building on top of those above-average gains, giving investors a lump sum payout of 30% to 50% occasionally at the conclusion of the 5-year period. Overall, while all investments carry some degree of risk of loss, it is not unusual for real estate syndications to make an 80% to 100% profit over a 5-year period. A passive investment that may grow your money by 2-fold every 5 years. This is why syndications are so effective in generating money. Number 4. Investment income. Having investment income is another typical form of passive income stream that will increase your wealth. Syndications are investments, but this category includes dividends from stocks and bonds and is more general. Many millionaires invest in P2P lending, own CDs, and hold shares of dividend-paying stocks like McDonald's or Coca-Cola. The stock market is a great location to deposit your money safely as it grows and earns quarterly or monthly income as you build your wealth, even while these investments won't bring you life-changing income. Diversification is the key to creating wealth, and buying income-producing stocks or bonds will help you get there. Number 3. Business income. Many millionaires have increased their money through side jobs, unless they are required by their principal employer or have contractual duties to do so. Owning a business brings you a world of countless earning opportunities, whether you're producing, selling, or offering services. Let's say you work as a developer and spend your spare time making video games. Your game might gain popularity and bring in an extra $100 per day through passive means. Suddenly, your side job is bringing in an extra $3,000 each month. You can use that cash to expand your business or use it in conjunction with your side employment to increase your tax-free savings. You can open a SEP plan and make a contribution of no more than $61,000 or 25% of your annual pay. Imagine being able to defer up to $61,000 with your SEP plan from your side business while still being able to contribute $20,000 through your day job's 401k plan. If you do it well, you may postpone over $80,000 a year, and if you invest that money intelligently, your potential wealth is limitless. Number 2. Royalties and licensing. Although less common, this category is nonetheless significant. If you have the chance to develop a product, concept, or method. You may be able to sell it under a license and get money each time someone uses it. Royalties can be earned on anything. You can even establish a band and succeed in getting your music included on a streaming service. Alternately, you may start a YouTube channel and profit somewhat passively from views. The best sources of money are from royalties and licensing because they are frequently reliable. Consider the scenario where a firm purchases your innovative waffle iron design. Every time an iron is sold, you'll make money. If so, you can anticipate a fairly stable income stream in the near future. Number 1. Renting out your car. Due to a lack of available inventory, peer-to-peer car rentals have seen a significant increase in popularity. Large organizations like Hertz closed their doors and sold a lot of their vehicles when the epidemic struck. These same businesses are having trouble meeting the higher demand due to the chip scarcity. People may now rent out their cars to other people thanks to businesses like Turo. Some people have made it into a kind of side business where they make a sizable passive income. In fact, a 22-year-old Toronto student created a mini fleet of 4 premium vehicles. You need a variety of revenue streams if you want to increase your net worth. It's dangerous to rely too heavily on one source, usually a job. What occurs if you get laid off? Similar to this, if that one source of money necessitates effort, you are constrained in how much you can earn because there are only so many hours in a day. You may invest in and rent out more than simply real estate. If current market trends hold, renting out cars will soon be a reliable source of revenue. That's it for today. We hope you found our video interesting. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and share it with others. Also, if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our new uploads. In the end, thanks for watching, and see you next time.